Hey guys, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Alex from Alex Be Fit, and today I'm showing you, if you haven't already guessed it, how to make homemade granola using 4 very simple ingredients. Doesn't get any more simpler than that. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, You feel like subscribing, go ahead, subscribe. If you have any suggestions on content that you would like to see, leave it down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy this video because it was so fun making it and it's so delicious. Enjoy.